Hello friends, today welcome to my engineering study. Today my topic of studying is capacitor. Its stand or short form we can write as C, and its unit is farad. It's a unit. Mostly capacitor is an electronic ECT electronic device. You have also learned there are mainly three components of electronic devices are L and C. R stand for resistor, L stand for inductor, and C stand for capacitor. Today we discuss about the topic capacitor. It's capacitor. It's a name of the component. Its symbol is like this, and inductor symbol is like this, and resistor symbol is like it's called positive terminal, it's a negative, it's a positive, negative, it's a positive plates, and it's a negative plates. Okay, and then C stand for capacitor, and its unit is farad, and the capability of a capacitor to store charge is called the capacitance. You can also write this capacitance. It's called the capability of AC to store charge. To store charge is called capacitance, or we can also write this the capacity of a capacitor to store charge is called capacitance. We can write any of these two. And capacitance, the formula is 1/2 CV square, and this Q is directly proportional to V, or we can also write say Q upon V is equal to C. C stand for constant, or called the capacitance of capacitor. The symbol of C, it's the symbol, it's a positive plate terminal, positive plates, and it's a negative plates, so that its terminal is positive, it's a negative, and it's there is no physical contact between both the plates. Is called the dielectric medium, or called the relative permittivity, MITT, relative permittivity. You can also, there are many types of capacitor available in our market. It's simply, when you talk about the unit is farad, it's called capacitor unit is farad. And if you go went to market and you bring like a microfarad capacitor, that's unit is 10 to power minus 6 farad. If you use picofarad, that's unit is 10 to power minus 12 farad. And we can also write this 1 microfarad capacitor. Microfarad, sorry, it's a capacitor, micro capacitor. 10 की power minus 1 picofarad is 10 की power minus 12 farad, and 1 microfarad capacitor, that unit is also 10 की power minus 12 farad. You know that the charge Q stored by a capacitor is directly proportional. Capacitor is directly proportional to potential applied across the voltage. That means Q is directly proportional to V. We can also write like Q upon V is equal to constant. We can this thing also explained in previous page. So constant an constant, that's called the C. C is called the capacitance of capacitor. Capacitor, its formula is you notice that Q is proportional to V, and the second is Q upon V is equal to C, and Q is equal to CV, and V is equal to Q upon C. There are three formula from this topic. It's a first, it's a second, and it's a third formula. Okay, first of all, the main basic is 1 by 2 C V square. Okay, C upon V square. We can see also write this like C from equation 1 by 2. C, you can see this C is equal to Q upon V. Q upon V into V. Like this, that 1V formula is 1 by 2 Q upon V. It's our first formula, equation fourth, and the second 1 by 2 QV square, 1 by 2 Q V, 1 by 2 Q is Q, and this we can also from equation third, Q is Q and V is Q upon C. 1 by 2 Q square by C. It's called Q square by 2C. It's our equation fifth. And the third is 1 by 2 CV square. And the third is 1 by 2 Q upon V. We can now from equation on second, like from this 1 by 2 Q is equal to C into V into V. 1 by 2 C V square. It's our third formula. So equation 6. There are basic three formula for finding the charge, capacitor and voltage of a capacitor. We can mostly you learn the three topics. It's most important. Now let's take the three equation of capacitor is 1 by 2 CV square 1 by 2 QV or Q square by 2C. There are three basic formula of a capacitor. Now let us go into our first question. If capacitor 1, 2, 3 is 2, 3 and 4, find in series. Now first of all I will tell you that in capacitor, if you have to find in series, then the formula is 1 by C plus 1 by C 1 upon C total is equal to CT. And if you have to find in parallel capacitor, that formula is C1 1 plus C2 plus C3 CT. We have find in series, so we use the formula 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3, and that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 6 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 12. Then 13 by 12 is equal to 12 by 13. It's called 1 by CT, and then we have to we can write this like CT is only 1. So this is the answer. Now it's a last question. I have no any time to do any more question. If you have to find the net capacitance of capacitor, we use the formula CS upon me Cn CS upon me. If capacitor that's the formula CS upon me Cn, and if capacitor in parallel parallel, then Cp is equal to C into N. And as for series, and P stand for parallel. N is the number of capacitor and C is the unit. What's the unit of the capacitor? You have to write the unit of the capacitor, like if 100 capacitor each have a voltage, 100 capacitor each have a voltage of 10 microfarad are in series. Find net capacitance. So the formula is CS upon me C upon 1 is equal to C stand for the unit of voltage. C is equal to 10 micro and upon 100 is equal to N is equal to 0.5. 0.5 answer. If you like my topic of the capacitor, then subscribe for my channel for next video of resistor and inductor. Thank you.